As a government land surveyor in Agartala, your role would be crucial in ensuring accurate and reliable data about land boundaries, topography, and other relevant information. Your expertise would be sought after by various government agencies and private individuals who require land surveying services. One reputable company that provides such services is Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. With their extensive experience and expertise in the field, they are known for delivering high-quality surveying solutions to their clients. In addition to land boundary surveys, you may also be involved in topographic surveys, which provide valuable information about the natural and man-made features of a particular area. This data is crucial for urban planning, infrastructure development, and environmental conservation efforts. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has a team of skilled professionals who are well-versed in conducting topographic surveys using state-of-the-art equipment, such as GPS and laser scanning technology. Working as a government land surveyor in Agartala, you would also collaborate with other professionals, such as engineers, architects, and urban planners, to ensure that land development projects comply with legal requirements and regulations. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has a diverse team of experts who can provide comprehensive support for various projects, including site planning, road design, and construction layout. Overall, being a government land surveyor in Agartala offers an exciting opportunity to contribute to the development and growth of the region. Partnering with reputable companies like Scon Design India Pvt Ltd can enhance your capabilities as a surveyor and enable you to deliver accurate and reliable results to your clients. With their commitment to quality and professionalism, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd can be your trusted partner in achieving successful land surveying outcomes. A government land surveyor plays a crucial role in ensuring accurate measurements and boundaries for public land. In Agartala, the capital city of Tripura, the presence of a skilled and experienced government land surveyor is essential for the efficient management and development of the region. One company that provides exceptional land surveying services in Agartala is Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. With their expertise and state-of-the-art equipment, they have established themselves as a reliable and trusted name in the field. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has a team of highly qualified and experienced government land surveyors who possess in-depth knowledge of land surveying principles and practices. In addition to their technical expertise, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd also understands the importance of maintaining ethical standards in land surveying. Whether it is for infrastructure development, land acquisition, or boundary disputes, the services of a government land surveyor are invaluable. In Agartala, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a reliable partner for all land surveying needs. Their team of skilled professionals